What's up guys, welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today we're gonna show you how to wash and maintain your ceramic coated vehicle. Now ceramic coatings are a revolutionary way to protect your vehicle from water spots, stains, contamination, and UV solar rays. And ceramic coatings are changing the game of detailing forever. Now here in this video, we're gonna give you the full tutorial to show you how to clean and maintain your ceramic coated vehicle. Now if you have a ceramic coated car, truck, motorcycle, or RV, you're gonna wanna wash it and maintain it specifically so that coating performs and keeps working for many years. So today we're going to show you all the products and tools and tips and tricks to wash your ceramic coated vehicle. Now right here in the shop we have this beautiful red Tesla and it has a ceramic coating on it right now. And we're going to use our brand new Masterson's Evolution Ceramic Auto Wash Soap to maintain and clean this ceramic coating. Now come in guys, let's show you all the products and tools we're going to use to wash this ceramic coated vehicle. Now if you wash a ceramic coated vehicle, the first thing you're going to want to do is pick a correct soap. We're going to use our Evolution Ceramic Auto Wash Soap. Now this is an SiO2 infused auto wash designed to maintain and wash ceramic coated vehicles. Now the great thing about this shampoo is it's infused with real SiO2 silica, and that's going to help clean the pores of your ceramic coating, plus it's going to add SiO2 ceramic coating effects to your vehicle. So you can actually use this on regular cars as well, but it's designed specifically for SiO2 coated vehicles. Now this delivers mega foam, and the cool thing about the silica-infused soap is it glides over the surface and it gives added protection to maintain your coating. Now when you're washing your ceramic coated vehicle, you're going to want to use a 2-bucket wash method just like we have right here. So we have 2 of our Masterson's buckets right here filled with some clean water, and then we're also going to insert some of our Masterson's bucket guards. Let's take a bucket guard and put it right inside the bucket. There we go. Take it right inside here. And then we're also going to use one of our Boss wash mitts. Now this is a microfiber Boss wash mitt. It's got 2 sides, a soft microfiber side and then a chenille side as well. And it's going to fit right in my hand and it's going to allow me to wash this Tesla just right. Now we got a 2-bucket wash right here, so we can have 1 bucket for our clean water and then we can have another bucket for our soapy water to clean and maintain our wash mitt. Now what I like to do first is take my wash mitt, put it inside my bucket, and then I'm going to take our Masterson's Evolution Ceramic Auto Wash Soap, and I'm just going to give 2 squirts right into the bucket. That's just 2 ounces right there. Now take your hose and then just give it a good foam right into the bucket. So easy. There we go. I like to soap up and foam up the bucket. Nice. And now we're ready to go. And this is real slick soap, so this is gonna maintain and keep our ceramic coated car looking great. Now I'm gonna take my hose, I'm gonna rinse this car down, and let's start giving it a good wash. So now let's start washing our ceramic coated Tesla. Now let's go to the bucket and grab some soap. And we're gonna go ahead and just do a 2-bucket wash to this Tesla. Now washing a ceramic coated car is just like washing a regular car, but you're gonna wanna use great choice of shampoo. Now regular shampoo that has waxes infused into the shampoo, it can actually clog the pores of the ceramic coating, because ceramic coating is actually an SiO2 layer over the paint that is designed to reject and self-clean. And if you use a traditional shampoo with your ceramic coating, your ceramic coating actually doesn't work as well and it actually starts to wear down faster. Now our Masterson's Evolution Ceramic Auto Wash Soap is designed to reject any dirt and grime off the surface and then use the SiO2 infused coating technology to refresh and boost your coating. So I'm taking my wash mitts, take it to my dirty water, rinse it off, and then let's go ahead and put it back inside of our wash bucket. Now, it's so easy to do right now, and it's so slick. This Evolution Ceramic Auto Wash Soap, it's very slick. And washing a ceramic coated car is important to maintaining the way it self-cleans. See, ceramic coating actually has self-cleaning capabilities which allow the car to be cleaned in like rain or when you're going down the road. If it hits water, it can actually self-clean, but you still need to rinse out the pores of the ceramic coating often, and that's where our auto wash soap comes into play. So we're just going down and washing the vehicle from the top to the bottom using gentle strokes on the paint. And this auto wash soap is super slick. It allows our wash mitt to just glide over the surface. There we go. I'm gonna wash the windshield as well. Let's go ahead and rinse off our wash mitt. Go back to our bucket. And let's go ahead and just clean this window. Now this car actually has ceramic coating on all of the glass as well. This actually has our Masterson's Evolution ceramic spray coating on the vehicle. And the Evolution ceramic spray coating and auto wash are designed to work together. So if you use these products, you can do it together to make sure that it gets a good wash. Now the best part about the Masterson's Evolution ceramic auto wash soap is that it works in all foam cannons and foam guns. So whether you're using a 2-bucket wash method or you want to use your favorite Masterson's detailing tools and accessories, our Masterson's Evolution ceramic auto wash soap works with it all. So come in close, I'll show you guys how to fill up a foam cannon right here. We're going to use our brand new VORTEX G2 foam cannon. I love this foam cannon. Seriously, a revolutionary game changer right here. I've already filled it with some warm water, so I'm just going to open it up, set it down. Pour a little bit of water out because we're a little full there. And then I'm just gonna take our Evolution ceramic auto wash soap and I'm gonna go ahead and give just 2, and we'll go 3 ounces right there into the foam cannon. And we're gonna put it on, screw it, and then we're just gonna give it a good shake. And already look how it mixed up, right? That ceramic formula just really mixes in and emulsifies to give a nice super sudsy wash. So let's hook this up in our foam cannon. We're gonna give this a nice deep cleansing wash, and then this thing is gonna be ready to go for the dry. We'll see you in a moment. So now that we finished washing our ceramic coated car, we're gonna go ahead and give it a good dry. Now when you dry your ceramic coated vehicle, you always wanna choose a premium drying towel to dry the vehicle. We're gonna use our Masterson's Big Blue Blazing drying towel. This is a 36 by 24 inch drying towel, and this thing's extra soft and silk lined. Just see how soft the plush fibers are on this towel. It absorbs a full gallon of water. And when you dry your vehicle, you always wanna use a great drying towel to reduce swirl marks and scratches. And you guys saw how great our Masterson's Evolution ceramic auto wash worked on this Tesla. The super high suds that it creates is just incredible, man. And it's the best choice to use on your ceramic coated vehicle. Now let's go ahead and dry the vehicle. Now you can go ahead and dry the vehicle straight up with the towel. I recommend to pick up our Masterson ceramic spray sealant to use it as drying aid. This is a spray sealant and quick detailer combo, so it's gonna go ahead and give lubricity on the surface and make sure you don't leave any extra marring when you're drying the vehicle. So let's go ahead and dry. I like to take our spray sealant and I like to give just a quick spray over the vehicle, just enough to add some lubricity. And then let's go ahead and take our drying towel and place it directly on the surface. There we go. And I like to just push it down just like that. This is an extra premium soft drying towel. It absorbs the water and leaves the surface just perfectly dry. There we go. Oh, there we go. It's drying. Now, you see that residue on there? That's actually the ceramic spray sealant that's left. We're gonna go ahead and just buff it off. And wow, here we go. We're giving a nice high gloss shine to this vehicle. and it's gonna look great after it dries, man. Oh geez, that's a great combo. This is a very easy way to dry, clean, and maintain your ceramic coated vehicle. And if you have any light contamination on that, you can go ahead and use a clay bar right after this service as well. Now I'm gonna go ahead and dry the whole vehicle, and then we're gonna show you guys the results of this amazing job on this ceramic coated Tesla. We'll see you in a moment. So now we finished the complete wash on our ceramic coated Tesla with our Masterson's Evolution Ceramic Auto Wash Soap. Now this is the best way to wash any ceramic coated vehicle. So if you have a ceramic coated truck, car, SUV, or you have a ceramic coated trailer or off-road vehicle, you want to choose the best soap to wash and maintain your ceramic coating so it lasts for years. And the best soap for that job is going to be our Masterson's Evolution Ceramic Auto Wash. Now, I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. If you want to pick up our Evolution Ceramic Auto Wash and everything to keep your ceramic coated car looking great, go ahead and hop over to our website, mastersonswax.com, and get everything to maintain your ceramic coated vehicle. Now, I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care. We'll see you next time. And always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.